Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị nke taata. Asịrị m unu ka ọ dịrị anyị na mma. Asị m na ihe adị ka echi na echi ada agwụ agwụ. Ndị ga-esi na-esonyela ihe a bụ Igbo Media, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ngalaba ozi a dị nnukwu mkpa anyị si ka anyị gosi unu gbasara maka ihe na-eme na Igbo community and obodo anụ anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ mbọsị izizi ị na-ezite chanel anyị bụ Igbo Media, gbaa mbọ rinne ka ị sọbskraibụ and share ya ka o rute ndị ọzọ aka. Maka na infọmeshọn anyị na-enye unu bụ ihe unu ga-ama gbasara maka ihe na-eme n'obodo a, anụkwunu mara ka unu si akwado na ya bụ ife bụ ya ka anyị si ka anyị drọpụ ọrụ bifo anyị gosi unu ihe anyị ji maka ya wee bịa. Ị ga-esi ya bụ ife anyị ji maka ya wee bịa, ị drọpụrụ anyị alụ gị ife iche gbasara maka ya bụ ife ndị niile ekwu n'iru akwụkwọ. Alright, over to you, sir.
Well, I know say these days, everywhere, it don't look like say everywhere cap down. Someone happen that you dey do yourself. Someone happen that one month and some days where we don't come tell you say we dey ready to follow up wetin una dey do. We don say hope no dey for Nigeria. We also know say Nnamdi Kanu, wetin he dey fight for, na still the same thing wey we all dey fight for. E dey come be like say from another angle. From we our side, government dey destroy our land, dey destroy our water, but they no dey take care of us. Na make we start when we start. But I get advice. Now, everything wey e don happen before, e don happen. No be all of us wey we be illiterate. Wetin una, some una the people dey talk for social media, we dey read o, we dey follow, but we no wan give attention to some of those things. We dey read, when we don see everything wey una dey write, that one sef e don dey enough make we for disembark. But we still say we go insist on our capping, because we know say wetin Nnamdi Kanu dey fight for, wey you Samuel Akpan follow dey fight for, na wetin go favour all of us. We don try, we don declare our interest, we don tell you Samuel Akpan say e for good make we fully join the struggle. My man, about 3 weeks ago, some of my men dem, e don high, come put up for kind demand about to make them follow for military hierarchy. But that one sef, You don't follow for, no be that one they worry me, no be. You don't say, we know you sef, you be military man, Samuel Akpan. But experience, you fit no get experience like we get. Where we don't get, some of us, we don't do since 2003 for Creek. We don't dey game. We don't dey game for too long time. You, when you be military man there, you fit no get the kind of experience wey we get. This is almost 20 years wey we don dey Creek, we don dey game, we dey do ground. We dey work every year with the gate operation. We get some kind of experience pass you. We dey work steady pass you. Wetin make I dey yarn this? Wetin make I bring this capping? Because say we dey follow up. We dey follow up wetin una dey do. But the problem be say you still dey follow up too small. You don't know say you dey live around enemies. And if you no clear some kind enemies them, you get some kind enemies them when they go there around, they go make your work very difficult. And if you bring us come game, it will be very easier for you because we can clear that ground very easily. This Biafra thing, the kind inside house enemy wey dey for our coastal region here, even for among your brothers wey dey follow you do struggle, wey dey follow you dey quarrel, dey fight, everyday dey happy, wey say the Nigerian army dey working by your men, they come dey happy, they go dey show dey share am for social media. Dem sef be time bomb. Wey be say if you no remove the time bomb, e go distract you too much. Na we dey talk say if you come, make you just open the gate, and you also make you talk to your Igbo brothers. Make them no dey hate on us. Make them no dey comment bad. No be everybody be longer throat. No be everybody dey look for money like that. Me Caterpillar, my men, I know. I trust my men. But you know, see, we dey different camps. We get different leaders for different creek. No be only me dey lead. Get different leaders, they get different behavior, but me, and they assure you say I go control them. A lot of the leaders dey loyal to me. All those in-house enemies them, from the coastal region here, we go flush them. But we need not say, we need to sure say we don't dey game. We no say, when we come in say, no going back, we don't come in, we don't start work. But you never really cooperate with us. Your Igbo brothers, they do like say the whole thing only Igbo thing. It can be like the kind fear where people be dey fear say, if we follow that go, we go come dey get. But me, I know say no be so, but some people they do that kind, they sell that idea, they give people say, Igbos go dominate, that kind of story, be wetin we come here. The division, for social media, where una dey comment, we dey read everything where una dey comment. Bring us all those inside house enemies wey e dey for our coastal region here, for your own side there for Igbo land. We go promise you, e no go fit take 2 months, we go flush every bit of them, they go comot. Even people wey be say they dey work as talks for governors, we know them. When they dey work for talks, they don't know how, that smart. We don't 20 years we dey active duty, we dey do our 20 years. We dey when here local dey game, we dey game. When Togo dey, we dey. We self dey game before Togo. So we dey tell you, na you dey tell yourself o. And make you warn your Igbo brothers say make dem no dey hate on us. If we keep on dividing ourselves like this, you no go get your own, we no go get. We go just dey like this. Na Fulani dey Gambari dem go dey still control us. You see, so we don settle our brother here as we don tell am make he no dey misbehave. And me, I sure say he no go misbehave again. You go fit see am come maybe out of make e no be like say he don run away, he no go come dey talk at all. If he come one time, once in a while, he go fit just throw one talk like that. Himself he go disappear. But I know say he no go wan. If we dey game, he no go wan stand our way. He no go wan talk when we dey talk. All the inside house enemies, we will take care of them. If we dey do this struggle, when you still get plenty inside house enemy, brother, you no go anywhere. Inside house enemy is dangerous. I dey tell you from experience, 20 years we dey game. 20 years we dey game. More than 20 years we dey game. We get plenty experience wey you, as a military man, you no fit get. We understand all our waterways well well. Our waterways e dey our finger, e dey our palm. We don pray for water, we don pray for land. Work on your people, work on your brothers them. Their comments they discourage a lot of our people. If you don't know, make I tell you. The kind comment wey your brothers, even brothers them, they comment for social media handles. They comment hate. And the thing they scare our people. Fulani them and Hausa people, they unite, they do things. But we suppose unite to make them, they not say we dey unite, even politicians no go fit divide us again.
Okay, you've seen it yourself, you watched it yourself. Make sure you learn something from the victory, because this guy is making a lot of things. Whatever you hear him say here is very correct. Especially the military intelligence is given to Simon Ekpa. Everything you hear him say, his experience, and very important to know, because living with your body, your high rest of mind. This is what is playing for freedom. Please do us good to share this video and like it yourself, then really quick and then one more.
And the by Darun Linenu, Yabukwa Igbo Media. I see when I would take on Nupozia do Kemba. The guy si Kununkwa and the guy si Nabambo, I would ike in a new update. Buye Bastama Kifene Mena an Igbo Bay and the Modo Winkanazo. Or Yabunkwa I put on and I can name is here. I was at the Kibiabo. I watch ya kita in Nina Ko Biafra Prime Minister. Go oge eziokwu n'ụdị nke gị na nchịkọta mmụọ gị ka ha iwelitela anyị n'ihe a, maka oke ihe ga na-esi na-emezi. O nwere ebe ekwete na ndị Igbo ya anọ, nwere ebe anyị sịrị anyị nọrọ. Igbo abụlọ senate president, Igbo abụlọ vice president, nothing. And na ụmụ ihe ndị niile amegasịkwa anụ ụmụnne anyị esokwa na-agba ụwofa mgba maka owe ka ife ya jee megidezie ajụrụzi asị ma ọ gịnị na-emezi ọ dịka arụ achọziri ime anyị negodin ka obodo si dị ka e mere ji jide nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na mkpọrọ akwa maka ndị Igbo. Gịnị ka ihe ọjọọ mere? Maka ọ sị na Igbo ga-adị, maka ọ sị na anyị ga-adị, na anyị ga-adị ka echi na echi ada agwụ agwụ. Ọ nwere ihe ọzọ eji jide ya? Jụọ onwe gị ajụ a, gịnị ka eji jide Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? Ọkwa maka ọ sị na Igbo ya adị. Biko ọ dịghị ka iwe chetara ife a bụ Igbo midia anyị na-asụ n'onu be anyị, ọnụnụ be anyị ka anyị na-asụ. So biko ọ bụ na ede anụ Igbo iwe ewe na gị, ọnụnụ be anyị ka anyị ji akọwa ihe na-eme ebe a. Ka ego ọkwa na ya anyị na-ekwu bifọ unu ekwe n'iwe ka ife onye ndu melụ ọ sị na ya na-eme mgbomgbe ndị Igbo na-abịa n'alụ ọ na-ewute ya. Simon Ekpa penie anyị agbaba ya mgba ka e mere obedient movement. Akwa wuru okwu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuru before ejide ya, they will never give you that president, that seat. Akwa doro na ya na Peter Obi winere mana nyere ya. Gịnị ka asị ya bụ mba? Igbo mara na ife maka oke esi na-ekwuzi okwu ọka ife ga na-esi na-emezi. Ọ bụ na ịkpọrọ onwe gị mitin, chụkọ onwe gị ọnụ, jụọ onwe gị ajụ a ka ebe ịkwụ n'obodo a bụ Naijiria. Ajụ nchọkwa onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo na-ege m ntị n'elu akwụkwọ a, jụọ onwe ya na na-ejicha onwe gị ya bụ ife isaa ya. Ọgwụna ka m n'ọnụ ihe a bụ Igbo midia. Daalụ n'ụmụnne.